Imagine waking up one morning to find that every glacier, iceberg, and frozen cap on Earth had vanished overnight. The poles are bare, the mountains drip with meltwater, and sea levels have risen so high that entire coastlines are gone. Cities like New York, London, and Shanghai are swallowed by the ocean, and humanity is left staring at a planet it no longer recognizes. At first, the change seems almost dreamlike. The air feels warmer, the colors brighter, the planet somehow lighter. But within hours, the consequences begin to unfold. Global temperatures skyrocket as the reflective white ice that once bounced sunlight back into space is gone. The oceans, now dark and vast, absorb heat like a sponge. Weather systems go wild. Torrential rains flood the interiors of continents, while other regions dry out completely. Inland cities become overcrowded as billions flee the submerged coasts. Governments collapse under the pressure of mass migrations. Satellite images show a terrifying transformation. The planet's shape itself is changing. The redistribution of water shifts Earth's balance, slowing its rotation by a fraction of a second, just enough to throw global systems into chaos. Power grids fail, GPS satellites go off course, and time itself starts to feel unstable. But that's only the beginning. Deep beneath the surface, the sudden release of pressure from melting ice wakes up sleeping volcanoes. Old fault lines tremble as the crust adjusts to the new weight of the oceans. From Iceland to the Andes, volcanoes roar back to life, spewing ash into a sky already choked with vapor. The sun disappears behind a veil of smoke, and within days, a strange twilight falls over the planet. Scientists scramble to understand what's happening. They discover something shocking: the meltwater isn't behaving like normal water. It's denser, enriched with ancient gases trapped in the ice for millions of years. When released, these gases react with the atmosphere, subtly changing its composition. Oxygen levels spike, and for the first time in history, the air feels heavier to breathe. Fires burn brighter, faster, and hotter than ever before. In the chaos, one researcher, Dr. Leon Harper, notices a disturbing pattern in the seismic data. The melting didn't happen naturally. Every signal suggests a deliberate, simultaneous event, as if something had triggered it from beneath the ice. While others search for political or environmental explanations, Harper goes further. She studies magnetic anomalies near Antarctica and finds something impossible: rhythmic pulses coming from deep below the now melted ice sheet. When a drone team finally dives into the newly formed Antarctic Sea, their sonar picks up a massive circular structure resting on the ocean floor, perfectly symmetrical, metallic, and humming with a low-frequency vibration. The world's media erupts with speculation. Is it an ancient machine, a defense mechanism, or something alien, long frozen beneath the ice until humanity warmed the planet enough to wake it? Before answers can come, the signal changes, the frequency increases, resonating across the globe. Compasses spin uncontrollably, and auroras appear in the skies over the equator. The oceans begin to boil at their edges as the mysterious pulse intensifies. Every sensor on Earth detects a single, coordinated vibration, one that matches the rhythm of a heartbeat. And then, for just a moment, the planet itself shifts. Tides reverse direction. Gravity feels weaker. People look up at the sky and see the stars flicker, as if the fabric of reality has trembled. When it ends, silence falls. The mysterious signal vanishes. The world is forever changed, flooded, scarred, and uncertain. But deep beneath the waves of the Antarctic Sea, the structure remains. Its lights are no longer dormant. They're slowly, methodically turning on.